Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight, concern growing nationwide as electricity bills rise again. A 7% increase approved for JPS customers, business leaders and the government weighing in tonight. Why critics say the timing couldn't be worse and what may happen next. Also tonight,
white van turn out and then went straight in our back door.
Tragedy on the roads. A hit and run in Portmore leaves a motorcyclist injured as police hunt for the driver who fled. And a court decision raising serious questions tonight. A man accused of attempting to dispose of a firearm while evading security forces walks free. The judge's reasoning tonight. Plus, justice served. The digital cable thief sentenced to hard labor and healing after Hurricane Melissa. Tourism workers turning to mental health support as the industry works to recover. Welcome to Jamaica News Page tonight, news that keeps you connected to what's happening right across Jamaica. And we're all powered by viewers just like you. Because of your support, we've made over 1 million connections with thousands of you now loyal subscribers tonight. Thank you for subscribing. We're truly honored to be part of your day. By the way, are you celebrating a birthday, anniversary, or special moment? We'd love to give you a shout out. Just tap join on your screen to get started. It's called Feel It Elite. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. Tonight, concerns are mounting over the timing of the Jamaica Public Service Company's 7% increase in electricity bills, as business leaders and the government weigh in on the adjustment approved this week. The Office of Utilities Regulation announced the increase on Monday, explaining that